Day 2, we're out again, and we're heading to the casino to take the train to an art gallery in waterfront. So that's what we're gonna do today. Follow us along and check out the other things we're gonna do today too.
Made a blooper. Oopsie. I lost my itinerary at home, so we're kind of winging it right now. I kind of have an idea of what to do, but we'll see. It's okay though, it's pretty chill, right?
It's nice, yeah. We're good. We're gonna be alright.
Reconciliation, like the tiniest little thing. But we're going to talk really about protests on this tour. This is this place where we come together in Vancouver when we want to protest, when we want to get a riot started. When you need to protest in your hometowns, where do you normally meet?
LA.
More recently, they decided we're going to join all of these buildings together with a glass atrium and sort of make a mall. The only fact.
We're at Revolver. It's supposed to be fantastic coffee. Even the tour guide, Emma, who did a fantastic job, told us that this place was the place to go for good coffee. So we're here, we came back. How do you like it? She already took a sip of it, hers. Pretty good? Like,
I mean, it's not sweet that you would like it, but it's pretty boring. Like,
we both got cappuccinos. I got one with soy milk because, you know. So Trish found this place called Fritz, European Fry House. And apparently people here get the Poutine. That's just what she got. Just like fries, gravy, cheese, kind of stuff on it.
Canada's, this is Canada's national dish.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I did not. Now you know. Now I know.
Gravy with like sourness of the cheese.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're at the Granville Island Public Market. Just took that really fun ferry, and look at this line. Oh, line, they're watching something.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have any money, or if you just came in at the end, please don't try to run away at the end of the show. If you want to come just shake my hand, say thank you, that means the world to me. If you don't have money, I don't want it, but if you do, I would like some. Here we go, without further ado, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This could be the best job in the world, or the worst job. You guys make the best job, so one more time for you guys. Risk my life for your entertainment! Really? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, if something goes wrong, and one of these knives hits me in the eye, dude, I could go blind. If I go blind, bro, you could be the last person that I see. I love you. Okay, just think about it. Keep it going for me, guys. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on, people! I've never done that before.
Granville Public Island Market.
We're here at the market. This is the market.
Oh, this one. How much, sorry? 200 grams. 200.
So we got some salmon pot pie. I broke the whole shell. It was very crispy and light. It was pretty good. And then Trish got that, was it the herring earlier?
Yeah, Dutch style herring.
Dutch style herring. Look at that.
It's like the thing to eat.
Just about to slurp it down.
Like pickled sushi. Try it.
Sure.
Like very vinegary. No
Want me to record you?
I don't like French beef.
It's good?
I like it. So we just went in there for another round of stuff, and she got herself a donut from Lee's Donuts. That was the iced one?
Honey dip.
Honey dip.
Ew, it's still soft.
Look at that, dude. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. No. Maple on the outside? Did I say
Honey dip.
Sorry. Because I read it. I read maple and I dipped and I keep looking at it. Homemade donut?
Glazed donut with like a hint of honey. Oh, honey dip.
Yeah. Guess what? She wanted to eat again. Back to back. She heard this has the best. Sorry. Xiaolong Bao. So we got that. I got some duck and rice, and then we're gonna check that out, see if it's good, if we like it, let you know if it's worth to come here.